Welcome to our YouTube channel, Beauties. Today we're giving your lash a natural, lifted look with a lash lift-in for simple steps. Quick, easy, and beginner-friendly. Let's go! Step, prep and protect. Clean your lash to remove any makeup or all. Place your under-eye pads. Then pick the right shield size for your lash length. That's your curl guide. Step, lift and stick. Apply glue to the silicone shield and place it gently on your lid. Brush lashes upward neatly, keep them straight and even for a perfect lift. Step, apply solutions. Apply lifting lotion from root to mid-length. Wait, then remove. Follow with setting lotion to lock in that curl soft and steady. Step, nourish and reveal. Add nourishing serum, remove the shield, and brush through your lash. And just like that, lifted, curled, and gorgeous. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay glowing.